Amazon's new weapon to crush competition, $1 items delivered for free by tomorrow. We will pay you. Yeah. It doesn't even make sense, obviously. It's not supposed to make sense. It's supposed to be shocking, which is why you're going to do it. Amazon now is delivering more goods under $1, such as deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush, even 75-cent item, Will, that they're going to, under the Prime membership, they're going to deliver it to you tomorrow for free. You spend $1. Do the math. You're the math guy, Will.
Am I, though?
It doesn't even make sense. You don't even have to do the math. They're obviously losing money on this, and they don't care because they're trying to build habits, and they're investing in making you dependent on their brand instead of the others. They want to do things that the other companies can't do. And if you're a Walmart, right, or a Target type of company, you rely on people coming in there for those small goods. That gets them in the store. If Amazon's getting it here tomorrow,
right,
and it's $1, what are you leaving your house ever in your life?
No.
No, you're not.
No.
So there's some criticism. People are saying, what about the environment? This guy's driving around sending 5-cent packages to individual premises. People are also saying it might be, is it anti-competitive? Are they going to wipe everyone out? Famously, what happened with bookstores, because they were undercutting the cost, but they were just taking the loss because they could, because they're massive. So there's a lot going on here, but it's sort of unprecedented. They have been getting more and more aggressive with this strategy. Previously, it would be the type of thing where you would have an add-on to meet a certain threshold to enable the free shipping. Getting rid of that now, people are just going to be clicking away. I'll take it. $1, $2, $3, and you got companies like the drugstores and the department, or whatever Walmart is, superstores and so forth, that could potentially be in big trouble. Now, the other threat here is that the actual brands that create the goods could be in trouble because of this. And here, I'm going to break it down for you, Will. Amazon could become such an important outlet for you. The important outlet, because why would anybody shop anywhere else? That they could start to flex on you. They could say, hey, Colgate. I'm talking down the road.
Yeah.
Obviously not immediately, because Colgate's all over the place. Maybe you're a smaller company than Colgate. They could say, yeah, you want to reach everybody. They don't shop anywhere else. We want to sell it at this price because that lets us dominate. So we want a piece of your margin. And you might be so backed up at that point that you're stuck. You got to say, okay, Walmart has done this, for the record, with some of their brands in the past. You got to meet this threshold, this margin, and so forth. If the retailer gets that powerful, they can kind of, to a certain degree, dictate how the brands themselves have to behave to maintain the right status with the powerful retailer. So we never saw a retailer at this level before, capable of things like this. $1, next day, free shipping.
Yeah. I mean, there's even competition there where they can make their own products, right? With the Amazon Basics line.
Absolutely. You don't want to do it, we'll do it.
Yeah.
It's incredible. They're doing some crazy stuff.
Amazon toothpaste.
But think about it now, Will. I mean, you're out there, you're on the internet, guy like you.
Amazon.
How are you going to say no?
Chicken.
How are you going to say no?
You know, I can't.
You can't. You just say yes.
Right now.
You just take it.
From Amazon.
You take it. You're looking for Q-tips. You're
Amazon branded.
You're looking for shaving cream.
Yeah.
You're looking for a eyelash curler.
Yeah.
How do you say no?
Can't.
You don't. You just put it in your cart. Actually, you're already on the one-click thing, and you just move on with your life. And it's there, and you wasted no time. It's so hard to say no, and they know that. That's why they do it. Impressive. Crazy.